So the two oldest kids are, get my shoes on. The two oldest kids are, actually I need to put clothes in the dryer, are still at school. One of them is in tutorials. The other one is stayed after for a club's meeting. So they are not going to be home until later. And then the baby girl, I have to go get her. Actually, I need to put my gym clothes in the dryer. And then I'm going to go get her so that she can already be home because I am going to the gym for 6 o'clock. So, putting some clothes in the dryer right now. And yeah, I'll let you see the baby girl when I get her. Hey girl, hey. I am watching. It's called what is it called? It's called A Million Little Things. And I think this is still season 1, I think. But it's good, girl. It is good. I love it. I don't want to tell you what it's about just in case you plan on watching it, but I was watching, it's on Hulu. I was watching Station 19, and I watched all the new episodes. I think, you know what, I need to go back and check and see if there are more episodes. Sorry, it's probably loud. But yeah, I was watching Station 19, which is a spinoff of Grey's Anatomy, if you don't know what that is, or if you've never heard of it. And it's about a fire station, and it's good. It's so good. Boris Kojo is in it. That's all I can tell you. Oh, and actually, quite a few of the doctors from Grey's Anatomy are on that also. So I never watched Grey's Anatomy, but you know, I am preparing my lunch, which is just going to be some roasted broccoli and cauliflower and some balsamic shrimp on the side. To me, this is like a lazy meal because I really don't feel like cooking. I'm really tired of cooking, to be quite honest. And then my next meal after that is probably going to be a salad, just because, again, I'm tired of cooking. The kids enjoyed their charcuterie board, or whatever you call it. I kind of like mispronouncing it. It's kind of fun, but they enjoyed their charcuterie board and they ate everything on it. So that was a hit. And I don't know what I'm gonna give them for a snack today. I have like yogurt parfait and stuff like that on my list because I had to create a list, otherwise I was gonna forget the ideas that I had. And I grocery shop based on the meals versus how I used to grocery shop back in the day. And that's how I ended up spending $300 in one grocery, in like one grocery haul, because I would just go up and down every aisle and get things that I didn't need. So now I plan my meals and I shop according to the meals that I'm cooking, and I save a lot more money. So that's something to think about. And as much as I give Walmart grocery pickup like business, I'm gonna need them to come holler at me. I'm just saying, because at least 2 times a week I'm at Walmart grocery pickup. Even Kroger. I mean, hey, I am no respecter of persons. Whoever has my best deals on point at that time, I'm on it. So yeah, but I think I frequent Walmart more just because I can get more of what I'm looking for. So yeah, just thought I'd put that out there. Not sponsored, but it could be. This is my lunch. I'm so ready to eat. My shrimp. The balsamic glaze is kind of leaking off to the side. And my roasted veggies. But yeah, that is lunch. So it's safe to say that my lunch was good. I did that. So one of my 4 kids are home. She's so excited about her snack today. Mom, you didn't make snacks today? Yes, I made snacks. Show them your snacks so far. Well, what I've made so far. There's granola in the oven. So I'm making homemade granola to put on top of her little parfait, and then she's gonna sit down and eat. But we're still waiting on everybody else to get home. Hey guys, so it is the next day from not the previous clip, but the clip before that. But I just got out of my last meeting for the day. I do have a lot of work to do, so I stopped to make me a snack because my lunch is not ready yet, so I'm probably going to end up eating a late lunch, which is fine because I'm working out a little earlier than I normally do on today. So I will show you guys what I made for my snack and what I'm prepping for the kids today for their after school meal, if you will. So this is my snack, and I just made an apple and I melted the peanut butter and I attempted to drizzle it. It's not very drizzled, but drizzle it on top with some walnuts and sprinkled some flaxseed, chia seed, and hemp seed on top. And then I prepped the chicken because I'm going to make chicken Caesar wraps for the kids, and some of that chicken will be for me for my meal prep, well, for my lunch today. And then I have a sweet potato in the oven. But yeah, so while as soon as I eat my snack, because this is technically my lunch break, as soon as I eat my snack, I'm going to fold this mountain of clothes and get it put away. And then I can never tell if I'm supposed to look here, but when I look there, it looks like I'm looking off. But if I look at the screen, it looks like I'm looking directly at you guys. So I don't really know which way to look, but anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on today. Nothing interesting or spectacular. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, so my son is home, so I'm going to prep their Caesar wraps. And I said earlier I'd already prepped my chicken tenderloins, and that's turmeric that has the color like that. And then I am using these flat out Italian herb wraps or whatever, and some romaine. I don't know if you can see that, romaine. And I'm literally just gonna shred the chicken and mix it all in a bowl. So All right, so I'm going to end today's vlog right here. And as always, I do appreciate you for watching, because you could have been anywhere else doing anything else, but you came to see little old me, and I appreciate you. So have a blessed rest of your day, and I will talk to you, if not tomorrow, the day after. Bye.